is also very amazing today on the. I love the smell in here.
Same.
And on the 26th of July 2023, this is Albertinkatu, Albertinkatu 16 staircase. We're starting from the staircase D and we're going towards the staircase A here. There's 4 staircases in this residential building here. It was built in 1962, turned 60 years old in 2022, and it should have been inspected, but it was delayed. And the number is H1005. 5 floors, and the mechanical perforator and a window.
Yeah.
So you can do that right later also.
Yeah.
Luckily we found the code quickly here.
Yeah. Niin sun tiippaakin väistyttää, että meni temppaa pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
This is in modernized case for Uusimaa and Finland. Alright, then you can operate the 600 for me soon.
Yeah.
That floor again.
That's